Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. It's Unky, whenever or wherever you're watching this video. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch today's video. Today, I just wanted to do a short video about a couple of changes that I've seen in the real estate market lately. Leave a comment below with what you see in the real estate market or some of the changes that you might have seen in the real estate market. Let me know in the comments below, or some that I might have left out in this video. Let's hit 7,000 subscribers on this channel and show some love and support for the content we've been posting lately. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's video and talk about these changes in the real estate market. Before we get into the video, you're probably wondering, what is that image of on the bottom left? That's an image of the brokerage I work at right now, Home Envy. If you're looking for a house or looking to sell your house, contact us. We'll be more than glad to help you. So I just want to do a quick announcement on that. So let's get right into today's video. For those of you that don't know, but maybe you already do know, the Fed is increasing rates. And one of the changes that in the real estate market is higher interest rates. The next thing that you might notice is longer market time. And if you look around right now, you might see lower prices. Prices are going down on certain houses. And because of the lack of demand, or people don't want to buy right now because of the interest rates and all the other stuff, price reductions are also happening. And we're also noticing a lot more less multiple offers or less competition now. Just a couple of months ago, you would probably see like several offers on the same house, and then they had 24 hours to pick that offer, and then boom, the rest of the offers were declined and people were getting in bidding wars and competition. There's no more free rent back, and more marketing is needed right now. If you notice, there's a lot more people marketing right now, trying to get your attention to buy and sell a house.